If you have 100,000 pesos and you're asking yourself, anong negosyo ba ang magandang simulan? First up, generic medicine reseller. This is a high-demand business dahil araw-araw may bumibili ng gamot. Medicine is a necessity, ika nga. Examples of products that you must have are paracetamol, metformin, losartan, amlodipine, vitamin C, plus basic first aid supplies like alcohol, mask, and bandages. Here's the capital breakdown with your 100,000, 70,000 for initial stocks, 10,000 for shelves and counters, 10,000 for permits, and 10,000 as your buffer or pang-promos. Ito naman ang list of permits required to operate: DTI registration, barangay and mayor's permit, and if you want to sell prescription meds, apply for FDA license to operate or LTO. What are the usual challenges in this business? Some customers might not trust generics or worry about fake meds. Ang solution, source only from FDA licensed suppliers like Boon Pharma Corp. Display your permits and receipts in your store for transparency. Location tips, just look for areas near public markets, terminals, or senior communities. Mas madaming seniors sa community, mas mainam sa business mo. Mas okay din kung kulang sa access to big pharmacies ang mapili mong place para ikaw ang magiging primary source of medicines ng community. Now, how to market your store? Just create a Facebook page. Create a graphic or video marketing to post in your social media accounts, then promote in barangay Facebook groups or do Facebook boosting within the barangay. You can also partner with health centers and tricycle drivers. Magkano naman ang earnings? So here's your earning projection: 2,500 daily profit or 65,000 monthly. ROI is within 2 to 3 months. Scalability, GCash, home delivery or online consultations. At pag naging successful ng isang store mo, you can expand and put branches in other areas, and later pwede mo din ipapa-franchise ang store mo.